What's going on, everybody? Zeekman here. We're taking in a trip. We're on an adventure. We're at JFK Airport in New York City, and we are heading to Helsinki, Finland. First leg of the trip, and we're gonna do a little review here from JFK to Helsinki here at JFK Terminal 8. So they have all these little cool art things here. Like this is American Airlines. I'm flying Finn Air, by the way. JFK to Helsinki. Pretty cool. And over here, this Champions Cup Hubs Gateway, JFK, American Airlines. So we are beyond security. Was not that bad getting through. Your Hudson store for all your snacks and waters. I'll be grabbing something for the plane before we get going. But it is approximately, this is December 1st, 2021. It's approximately 9 o'clock at night. So it's not too crowded here. You know, it's Finn Air, American Airlines.
May I have your attention, please?
Check this out.
All transits. If any unknown person attempts
Silhouette
to give
of
you any
Manhattan.
item, including luggage, to transport on
So this is cool. It's like a three-dimensional.
and notify airline personnel immediately. Do not leave luggage unattended. All carry-on and checked luggage is subject
awesome.
to search.
It's from Charles Fazino, original 3D Rag Museum board. Kind of quiet around here. Gotta find something to eat in a little bit, but can't believe it. Flying to Helsinki, Finland, and then Thailand.
Your safety is our top priority. This terminal has been accredited by the Global Biorisk Advisory Council and Airports Council International for our cleaning and safety practices. Federal law requires that facial coverings must be worn over your nose and mouth at all times in and around the airport. Violators will be removed from the premises and are subject to a $50 fine.
These are always fun.
Please maintain physical distance from others and wash your hands or use hand sanitizer frequently. Thank you for helping prevent the spread of COVID-19.
Very quiet, which is good. Flying at night is usually a good time to have no crowds. So I always like to check my gate before I'm flying, just to make sure that nothing has changed. I'm flying from here at gate 4.
American Airlines is based on the following question of flight number 4549 with service into Belfort. Facing passengers noticing roads and row, party of 3, line, party of 2, to gate number 30.
Here we are.
Reporting, and then passenger citizen, roads and right. Party of 3 and line to gate number 36, flight 12 reporting.
All right. As you can see, it's quiet here. I'll get back to you when we're boarding the plane. All right, it's about 11:15 at night, and we are boarding the plane, heading to Helsinki. Let's do this. So this is home for the next 9 hours. I'll give you a little seat tour. Yeah, nice little screen. English, all different kinds of languages. USB. These are for headphones. Fold out tray. Fold out tray. Waters, of course. I think we're ready to go. First leg of the trip, 9 hours to Helsinki, Finland. I'll see you guys there.
Before departure, we would like to focus on safety. Please follow this video closely, as we will be demonstrating the safety features of our aircraft. Smartphones and other handheld electronic devices may be used from gate to landing in flight mode and in normal mode after landing. All other electronic devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed for takeoff and landing. Make sure that your armrest is in the down position and your seat back is upright. Please open your window shade and stow your table. If you're seated in business class, please make sure that all loose items are stowed, including your remote control. If you're seated in economy class, also make sure that your video screen is stowed. Your safety belt is fastened by inserting the metal end into the buckle like this. Tighten the belt firmly. To open your belt, lift the metal buckle. Your safety belt must be fastened during takeoff, landing, and at all times during the flight when the safety belt sign is on. We recommend that you keep your safety belt fastened throughout the flight, as unexpected turbulence may occur at any time. For your own safety, we kindly ask you to avoid spending excess time in the aisles and exit areas during the flight. You must comply with all posted placards and lighted signs in the cabin. If your mobile device gets caught in the seat mechanism, do not move the seat. Ask the crew for assistance. In case your electronic device overheats or your video screen is malfunctioning, contact the crew immediately. All our flights are non-smoking, and under aviation law, smoking is forbidden in the lavatories. This also applies to electronic cigarettes. Your cabin crew has been trained to ensure your safety on board. You must always follow the instructions given by the crew. If the cabin pressure drops, the oxygen masks will automatically appear above your head. Grab the nearest mask or the red pull flag, pull down sharply and put the mask on as shown. The bag may not inflate even though oxygen is flowing. Always put your own mask on first, then you may help others. If you're seated in business class,
We are almost to Helsinki and they brought us some food. blueberry juice. This is an omelet. Let's get eating. We made it to Helsinki Airport. We gotta make a transfer to another plane to head to Thailand. So we'll take a little look around Helsinki Airport, and then we'll end the video here. We'll do another video from Helsinki to Bangkok. So here's Helsinki Airport, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice, very clean. Retro. It's 2:30 in the afternoon, December 2nd in Helsinki. We left New York at midnight, and we're about 5 or 6 hours ahead here. So it's about 7 in the morning in New York, 2:30 here in the afternoon in Helsinki. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, JFK to Helsinki Airport. Look for part 2, which will be the Helsinki to Bangkok route. And see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.
Please don't wait for travel.